https://cernway.io. Deep insights into Brazil, a journey through culture, nature, and a diverse society. Livestream collaboration proposal. Dear Brazilian culture researchers, Latin America travel experts, Chinese Brazilian tour guides, Portuguese language instructors, Latin American studies scholars, and specialists in music, religion, and cultural studies, greetings. Today, we are honored to introduce Cernway.io's dedicated live stream collaboration program for the Brazil and Latin American cultural market. Deep insights into Brazil, a journey through culture, nature, and a diverse society. If you are knowledgeable about Brazilian culture, fluent in Portuguese, and have rich local living or travel experience, this is the ideal platform for you to showcase your expertise, build an international personal brand, and transform your knowledge into sustainable income. Project Vision Market Opportunity. Brazil is the largest country in South America, home to some of the world's most diverse cultures and richest natural ecosystems. Yet global audiences often perceive Brazil only through simplified stereotypes such as Rio, samba, football. As global travel rebounds and Latin American culture surges in popularity, audiences now seek more than sightseeing. They want to move from seeing Brazil to understanding Brazil. Understanding its culture, multi-ethnic society, religious fusion, ecological environment, and real everyday life. Cernway.io aims to build a comprehensive knowledge center for Brazilian culture and in-depth travel, helping experts systematize their knowledge into professional, distributable, and commercially valuable content products including Brazil's multi-ethnic society and social structure, Portuguese language and local communication skills, major religions Catholicism, Afro-Brazilian candomblé, and spiritual beliefs, urban favela social structure, Amazon ecology, and environmental conservation, Brazilian cuisine, music, festivals, and cultural expressions, travel routes, city experiences, and safety guides. Our mission is to collaborate with professional creators to build the public's essential Brazil culture deep travel guide. 2. Collaboration model localized content plus deep co-creation. Cernway.io specializes in country-focused, high-depth content production, building a professional cultural and travel knowledge platform. For the Deep Insights into Brazil project, we provide full support based on bilateral agreements and platform membership guidelines. Platform support. 1. Brazil exclusive resource package. Historical archives, cultural documentaries, and social studies materials. City and state maps, Rio, Sao Paulo, Bahia, Amazonas, etc. Festival footage, including carnival and religious celebrations. Portuguese, bilingual Portuguese, Chinese subtitle support. 2. Professional live stream technical setup, optimized for Brazil's environmental conditions, heat, humidity, rain, complex urban scenes, stabilized filming equipment, rain protection gear, high-temperature microphones, favela live stream safety guidelines technical support, Amazon rainforest outdoor live stream kit. 3. Precision audience targeting. Your content will be shown to users interested in Brazilian culture, music and festivals, travelers planning trips to Rio, Sao Paulo, Iguaçu, Amazon, students and researchers in Latin American or ethnic studies, youth who love football, samba and street culture. 4. Localization support. Brazil-style virtual backgrounds, beaches, streets, carnival themes. Music library bossa nova, samba foro. Professional bilingual subtitles and terminology review. 5. Resource integration. We assist in connecting with Embraer, Brazil Tourism Board, local travel agencies, favela tour organizations, samba schools, cultural centers, capoeira groups, Amazon conservation areas, ecological tour guides. 6. Zero-cost onboarding with full operational support. Expert responsibilities earnings. Core responsibilities. 1. In-depth Brazilian content production. Serve as the lead presenter of the Deep Brazil channel, providing systematic content on multicultural society, urban social dynamics, history religion, travel experiences, Portuguese communication, local living knowledge. 2. Authentic experience sharing. Share your real-life stories from living, working, traveling, learning Portuguese, or participating in Brazilian festivals. 3. Professional content directions, Brazil edition. A. Brazilian history cultural analysis, colonial era Portuguese rule and city formation, slavery and African cultural influences, Catholicism and Candomblé religious syncretism, ethnic composition white, Afro-Brazilian, indigenous Pardo, modern Brazilian identity in a multicultural society. B. Regional culture city characteristics, Rio Beach culture, favela social structure, carnival, Sao Paulo economic hub, immigrant cultures, Japanese, Italian, Chinese, Bahia Afro-Brazilian cultural center, Candomblé, dance music, Amazonas rainforest ecology, river culture, indigenous life, Iguaçu natural wonders and border culture, Belo Horizonte Minas Gerais cuisine, mountain culture. C. Practical living guide, daily Portuguese expressions, urban safety guides, Rio, Sao Paulo, transportation, payments, communication, healthcare, visas, cost of living, food, housing, transportation, practical living guide, daily Portuguese expressions, urban safety guides, transportation, payments, communication, healthcare, visas, cost of living, festival participation guidelines, carnival, Festa Junina, etc. D. Brazilian culinary exploration, Sao Paulo's global fusion cuisine, Afro-Brazilian food from Bahia, Acaraj, Maquica, churrasco barbecue traditions, Amazonian ingredients berries, fish, wild foods, Brazilian coffee, Minas, Sao Paulo Acerto Santo. 4. Core value become the audience's Brazil expert. Establish yourself as a leading expert in Brazilian culture, travel, and language. Gain diverse income opportunities, live streams, promotions, courses, guiding. Connect with cultural institutions and expand your professional network. Build your personal IP as a Brazil culture educator, Latin America deep travel specialist. V. Multi-channel revenue system Brazil edition. A. Live stream course revenue sharing. Platform service fee 40%. Partner earnings 30%. Brazil topic development fund 30%. B. Brazil travel product partnerships. Includes cultural experiences in Rio, Sao Paulo, Bahia. Favela community tours, official organizations only. Samba school experiences, dance lessons. Football training camps, stadium experiences. Amazon rainforest expeditions, eco tours. Portuguese courses, study abroad programs, cultural camps. Brazilian coffee, handicrafts, music workshops. Commission rates. Standard travel products above industry average. Custom premium, routes 30% to 50%. C. Platform incentives. Favela community tours, official organizations. Samba school experiences, dance lessons. Football training camps, stadium experiences. Amazon rainforest expeditions, eco tours. Portuguese courses, study abroad programs. Brazilian coffee, handicrafts, music workshops. Commission rates, travel products, premium routes. New member referral $5 per person plus 5% revenue bonus. High quality content rewards. Long-term revenue share with premium merchants. 6. Exclusive live stream series plan Brazil edition. Series 1 The Evolution of Brazilian Civilization. EP 1 Portuguese Colonization Early Cities. EP 2 African Cultural Influence in Brazil. EP 3 Modern Brazilian Identity. Series 2 Religion, Belief Diverse Society. EP 1 Catholicism in Brazil. EP 2 Candomblé Afro-Brazilian Spirituality. EP 3 Religious Integration in a Multi-Ethnic Society. Series 3 Brazilian Cuisine Map. EP 1 Afro-Brazilian Food from Bahia. EP 2 Amazon Natural Ingredients. EP 3 Full Exploration of Brazilian Coffee Culture. Series 4 In-Depth Travel Across Brazil. EP 1 Rio, Beaches, Mountains Favela Culture. EP 2 Sao Paulo, Economy Immigrant Cultures. EP 3 Amazon, Life in the Rainforest. 7. Innovative live stream formats Brazil edition. Outdoor live streams beaches, mountains, carnival, street culture. Guest interviews samba dancers, football coaches, favela cultural workers, Portuguese teachers. Favela VR experience, safe legal. Interactive sessions Portuguese classes, Brazilian cooking, samba dance workshops. 8. Join the Deep Brazil Expert Program. You're welcome to join if you have deep knowledge of Brazilian culture or long-term living experience, can produce professional content, and wish to build a personal IP. Want to systematically teach audiences about Brazil. Want to turn your Brazil experience into real income. Hepcernway.io is your first step toward an international cultural stage. Official platform contact. Website https://ernway.io. Brazil topic support. Email support@ernway.io. YouTube channels. https www.youtube.com/ernwayyt. https www.youtube.com/ernway.io/T1. https www.youtube.com/ernway.io/T2. Facebook page. https www.facebook.com profile.fit = 615843639866615.